When I bought this building, I thought the doors would be simple. Just replace the rotten ones, install some locks. I was wrong.
Sounds a little bit sus.
I discovered a door frame that seemed to be rotting out. It was much worse than I thought.
I removed one side of the frame. In fact, it's quite a mess. Eaten by probably termites.
I did look with the camera, but I didn't see anything.
It seems pretty solid in there. So I'm going to put just the one side. The problem is the tab goes inside. It needs to be on a 90-degree angle to lock itself together. And it's going to be angled this way. This piece of the tab here, I'm going to take a section of it off. You can see here where I've cut the end off so that as I push it up into place, it will kind of slide in. I managed now to slip it into place. I have to lift and kick it over. I'm trying to get some leverage to pop this thing up. I'm getting nervous about this one. The door actually closes. That's a pretty nice feeling.
With the frame fixed, I moved on to the locks.
I used the paper template, just like this. We're going to drill from the inside. There's a little tiny hole where the end of the drill punched through. I'm just going to put it in that hole, simply like that. And then I'm going to drill from this side now. We finished the first step, putting the large hole in the door. Now we put the hole to the side, which is for the cartridge to fit in. To make sure that it's nice and straight, it fits in nicely. There's a little bit of wiggle room. Put toothpaste on the deadbolt. Retract it. I close the door. And drive the deadbolt into the spot. So now I know where to put the drill. And then I cut around with the chisel here.
But the wooden doors weren't the only problem. The back door had rotted out completely.
Just my luck, it's a little bit larger. It looks like they had to chop some of the wood off to make it fit. And I have the old door, and you can see there's a hole right through it. The wood is so rotted at the bottom. There's no point in putting another wooden door on. The delivery just arrived. I purchased a new PVC door. So now I'll cut the plastic. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to handle this one.
When the door opened, it barely fit.
I'm chiseling off the door frame inside. The opening is not square. The door that's supposed to be 200 by 80 is actually 200 and a little bit. I had to shave off the inside edge here. It was the only way I could get the door to close. Recess the hinges a second time and then a third time. It was exactly tight to one side and tight to the other. If there were no hinges, you could just hammer the door into the frame.
Nothing was standard. Not the frames, not the doors, not even the replacements.
What, you need me help?
Painting? That was supposed to be the easy part.